Welcome to my channel again, and the channel where you are going to be trained on how to be working with any analytical approach. And again, today I'll be guiding you on how to use HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP in Excel. Now, HLOOKUP is used to look for a value horizontally, while VLOOKUP is used to look for a value vertically. For instance, by the time you come here, I want to search for a particular name called Steven. Now we are going to click and start counting from employee name 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Then we are going to use HLOOKUP because I'm searching for my value horizontally. Then I'm going to use HLOOKUP, the lookup value I'm looking for. Then you are going to click on the employee name here. Then you are going to put your comma. The employee name, which is the table array, you are going to arrange everything together and comma. What is the column index? You are going to click on the column index, and the column index you are working with is 4 because I want to generate Steven. Counting from employee name, Patrick, Paul, and also Stephen. We have 4 based on column row. You are going to click on rows index number because you are generating based on horizontal. Then you are going to click on your 0, then enter it. Now make it everything to be more relative by dragging value from this side. You can see that we have generated the value of Stephen with their designation and also salary. So for VLOOKUP, VLOOKUP can generate the value vertically. By the time you click on it, we are looking for VLOOKUP generate it. You will look for a value vertically for us. So VLOOKUP, what is the lookup value? Is 233. So then put your comma. What is table array? Want to generate everything at the same time, then I'm going to highlight all our value, then comma. So since I'm generating everything at the same time, then I'm going to introduce this curly braces. Curly braces is used to generate different column at the same time. So I'm generating from name, employee name is 1, name, this is name is 2, age 3, then I'm going to generate 2, 3, 4, 5. So that shows I'm generating 2 from name, 3 age, 4 working place, and salary 5. Then I'll close my curly braces, then comma 0. By the time you click on it, enter, you can see that everything has been generated at the same time. What you just need to do is to drag it down from here, so we can see that our model, everything have been generated. So the same thing you can use from here, and at the same time using VLOOKUP. By the time you click on this place, I'm using VLOOKUP also to generate year purchase. In year purchase, it's asking for VLOOKUP, so click on VLOOKUP, and from VLOOKUP, what is the lookup value? Samsung, comma, then table array. Our table array is what you are going to drag everything right down here. Then we have our comma. We have phone name types is 1, quantity orders 2, we have year purchase 3. So we have 3 by column, then we click it by what is that number, then make it relative by dragging everything down. You can see everything have been worked with. So we can use VLOOKUP also here to generate our values. So from here, what are we looking for? Because this one is horizontally based. So click on H VLOOKUP. What is the lookup value? We are from Samsung, then comma. What is the table? Our table array. Our table array is here. Then you are going to click on all this table array. Then we have our comma. What is the column index? Our column is 3. So because we are going to generate phone type, quantity orders, and here, but it's the same here, but they change it upside down, then comma 0. So click on it, then you can see that we have it, and also we can drag it down like this. So also we can have the advanced VLOOKUP. The advanced VLOOKUP also we are going to generate the way we did the other time. You use VLOOKUP, and at the time you click on VLOOKUP, what is lookup array? We have this as a lookup value, comma. What is a table array? So our table array from here, we are going to arrange everything at the same time because we want to generate it from here. This asks for our table array. By then we click on this, it's our table array, highlight everything, then comma. Then by the time you see your column index, what's our column index? Start from here. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we are going to generate at the same time curly braces. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we can close it, then half of comma 0, then highlight it. So by the time we have generated everything at the same time, then we drag it down, we pull it down, make it relative, you can see. And but our other dates that we are having there seems to be what our stock dates. So these are stock dates is generative there in form of numbers. We are going to right click on it, click on format cell, then you are going to click on what is date here. So we can click OK. So you are going to see that this thing have come back to date and we have generated it. So this is what they are asking us to do. And also for HVLOOKUP, you can generate your HVLOOKUP with it and the thing will happen as well. So in HVLOOKUP, so with our data validation with HVLOOKUP, data validation is for you to create restriction for what you are having here. By the time you click on this thing, our data validation, just click on the sample here as name. You want to create validation for our data, and data validation will help you to know and to create parameter for what you are working with. By the time you click parameter for what you are working with, just come here, click on data. By the time you click on data, so then you can come down to data validation here. So from your data validation, I want to create validations and parameter for all our names. So click on data. So when you click on data, change your any values to list because they are list form and click on the arrow pointing up. So from here you can click on this name, your control shift, then everything have been just click on enter, then okay. So you can see that all the name is already inside our is already inside our model here. We have create validation for it. You can click on anyone here. Then you can click on here. We are using data validation with HVLOOKUP and you can create validation for your data. So then you can have HVLOOKUP from here. Just click on HVLOOKUP. From HVLOOKUP, what is the lookup array? Moses, you are generating it and comma. What is the lookup table? There are lookup table. You are going to click on everything at the same time. It's asking for the table array and all the table array, you are going to click on everything at the same time as well. So then comma. So it's asking for the row column index number because from here we want to generate the score of English, computer science, and pharmacy of Moses. So then they ask for the column index. So from here now we can click on English. English is 3 from name, mathematics, English is 3. So we can see that our computer science is 6, while pharmacy is 8. Then we are clicking on curly braces, we are having 3, 6, and 8. By the time you close it, then comma 0, then we can have it, then comma. So now, anytime we change any value from here, anytime we change any value from here, you can see that everything will work fine. So that's how to create HVLOOKUP and also with data validation. Thank you.